The big news. The long-awaited announcement has finally come from WhatsApp's official account. From now on, you can message anyone without sharing your phone number. All you need is a username. Right after seeing this news, Telegram took a dig at WhatsApp from their official X, formerly Twitter handle. They reminded everyone that Telegram introduced the username feature back in 2010. In other words, what WhatsApp is bringing in. 26. Telegram did it 12 years ago. Why this change matters. When WhatsApp was created in 2009, your phone number was your only identity. However, the biggest drawback of this concept is the lack of privacy. To message someone, you have to share your personal phone number, which opens the door to spam messages and harassment. This problem is even more severe in Bangladesh. Many women feel uncomfortable using WhatsApp because sharing their number often leads to unwanted messages from strangers. The username feature is a massive solution to this issue. The technical challenge. WhatsApp's entire architecture is built around phone numbers. From end-to-end encryption to account recovery, everything is tied to your number. Introducing usernames to a massive ecosystem of 3 billion users means re-engineering years of old infrastructure. While it was easier for smaller companies like Telegram or Signal, it was a monumental challenge for WhatsApp. Key features and benefits. Username. Customization. You can choose a username between 3 to 35 characters. It can include lowercase letters, numbers, periods, or underscores. Username. Key. This is an optional 4-digit code. If enabled, knowing just your username won't be enough to message you directly. The sender will also need this key. Otherwise, their message will go straight to the requests folder. Enhanced privacy. When new people contact you, they will only see your username, not your phone number. However, your existing contacts will still be able to see your number. When is it coming to Bangladesh? WhatsApp's global rollout will take place in phases. July 7, 2026, launching in Algeria, Azerbaijan, Ghana, Libya, and Nepal. July 20, 2026, expanding to more countries. September 21, rollout. Completes worldwide, including Bangladesh. Impact on businesses. This feature will also redefine WhatsApp business. Previously, businesses had to collect customer numbers to initiate chats. But now, connecting with business accounts will be as simple as searching a username. This will increase anonymous messaging and reduce dependence on Telegram for privacy-focused communication. Conclusion. The idea that a phone number is your only digital identity is slowly becoming outdated. Even though it is 12 years late, WhatsApp is about to redefine privacy for 3 billion people. Have you thought about what your username will be? Let us know in the comments. Follow us for more exclusive tech, AI, and social media news. And